Dito tayo ngayon sa what's this? Marina Park. Marina Park. Oh, you hold the button. Okay. Oh, lakad-lakad muna tayo ngayon. Kasama ko si Bunso. Okay. Hello. Okay. Okay. Let's see the... Tignan natin yung seaside. Wow. Malamig. It's cold. Wala akong pantalon, naka-short lang. Oh my God, Lord. Alright. Green switch. Yan. Okay, guys. You see the screen?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. We will go to the seaside. Yan ang ating Marina Mall. Oh, alright. Oh my God. See that cat? Oh. Oh. Matakot to. Parang aatakein tayo ah. Oh. Persian cat. See that seaside, anak? Very nice, right? So cold. You like it? Walking? Huh? Huh? Oh, it's the best. Right? See the car? Very nice car. See that car? Wow. Wow. Okay, okay. Let's go here. Let's plug together. Now. My favorite car. Oh, may tao doon. Oh, nice car. Wow, ganda oh. Come here, come here. Go there. Go there. Yeah, nice car. Galing ha? Nice.
The seaside's there.
Yeah, let's go to the seaside. For seaside is the best. Yeah. Wow, I am not seaside. Oh. Oh, dami ka na pati. Oh, yan ang seaside. Oh, look at that. One wheel. Oh, wow. Nice balance. Huh? See that? Oh. Ganda oh. Oh, panalo oh. Dalawa. Dalawa sila. Galing ah. Ah. Ayun oh. Ayun oh. Oh, punta mo yung kalapate. Oh. Ayun, punta ka doon. Sige, sige. Oh, go, go, go. Sige. Huwag mong anahin, gulatin. Lapit ka lang. Yeah, just like that. Go inside. Sige na. Lapit ka pa. They're eating. Alright, nice, right? Sige, lapit ka. They will not bite you. Nice. Ganda.
There's a dog.
Huh?
There's a dog.
Yeah, dog. Right.
Seaside.
Huh?
Can you picture me?
Picture? Ah, okay, okay.
You send it to me.
Okay.
Gets the ocean.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I will look at it, okay?
You look at there. Where's the water? That's our water? Huh? Okay. Yan ang seaside na Marina Mall. Ayan po. Alright, ayan. Ito na naman yung mga kalapate. Ayan, dito lang kami. Ayan. Wow, nice. Oh, mga kalapate rito, social. Oh, wow, nice. Oh, come on, let's go. Where you want to go? They will come back, come on. Oh, wow. Come, let's see that two guys. Nice. Oh. Ah. That's really nice. Very nice. Yeah. Good job.
هذا اللي عندك
Come on.
انت اذا تقدر اللي عندي تطلع هذا
Very good. See?
على عادي على
Yeah. Come on. Let's go there. Alright. Yes. With my boy. Come on. Alright. Let's see, too much people there. Maybe they don't like it. Right? So cold. Nice, nice. Natin yung ano, yun, the building there. See that? So cold. Wow. So cold. Wow. Ah, there is ano na, bakod, anak. May bakod na dito. There's a fence. You cannot go inside direct. There's a gate. Here. I don't know. New rules. So cold. Meron na siya outside. Let's go here. So cold. Yan. Stadium. They will make stadium here. What is that?
It was PSG versus I forgot.
What?
I forgot.
What is that stadium? Fighting? UFC?
For football.
Ah, football.
Or maybe UFC.
Huh?
Because in
What?
January 24.
Ah, January 24.
Justin versus Paddy.
Ah, so this one is temporary. It's not permanent.
I hope it's in Kuwait. I
Yeah.
want to see the fight live.
Ah. Why there? There's a lot of
But it's good if we're near.
yeah, but there's a lot of places. But it's here. They choose the Marina Mall, huh? Oh. Ayun. Dito na tayo ulit. Cat is there. Oy. Gaganon lang pala. Ah, we'll just touch the ano pala. The screen. And then it will come back. Alright. Ayan. Malaking pagbabago. May ginagawang stadium dito sa may seaside. Kaya pala malamig, anak. Ano? High tide. See? It's high tide. Yun o. So, you want the seesaw, anak? Here. You play there. Come on. So that we have content. You can jump. Kuya Eli and Kuya Kelly here always that time.
I really like the swing.
Yeah, here. Go there, go up.
No, I really like the swing.
Swing. The swing. You can swap later. Oh, it will fall. You cannot go because they are playing it. I think Kuya Kyle is back. Ayan. Give me that. Okay, just put there. Okay. Alright. Ayan. Galingan mo. Yeah. There's may technique dyan, anak. Okay. Oh, may mga kasama ka na dyan, oh. Yala.
I won't go up.
You can.
It's not.
You can.
No grip.
You must grip yourself. Find a grip. Yeah, like that. Oh.
No grip.
Okay. Come on. Come on. Here.
Що ти здох?
Там. Come on. Come on. What's up? Did mommy come back? Not yet? Ah.
Call him.
Yeah, we'll call him.
I gave your phone back.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Let's see, somebody is playing there. So here, up. Ito tayo sa basketball court. Yan. We'll wait for Kuya. Kuya will be here. No more, no? It's not good na the, the flooring. Ito yung basketball court ng Marina Mall. Okay. So, hindi kami lagi dito. But Kuya is improving his basketball.
Also, Enrique.
Yeah, of
No,
course.
I hate basketball.
Oh, of course.
Gusto mo sa summer pag-aralin kitang football?
No, I don't want to.
Kuya Kyle, good. And Mami, medyo asar si Bunso, hindi makashoot. Kaya ayan, ayaw na mag-basketball. Okay guys, kakain muna kami ng pataya. Okay, be careful, don't hit that one. Okay, 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 finish. Bye bye. Hindi pa pala bye bye. Kakain pa kami ng pataya. Okay.
Go!
Get the ball.